Hello, friends, and welcome to Number Corner. Today is a Wednesday, so before we start Number Corner, let's take a glance at our moon. Whoopsie. So, if you notice, hardly any of the moon is showing. This is what we call a new moon. And we'll have a new moon for a couple of days. But that's when you can't see the moon, it's considered a new moon. So let's look at our past. In the beginning of September, we had full moon, and then it was the waning gibbous. It was starting to go away. Then it was fading and fading and fading and waning crescent and became a crescent, and now it's at the moon. So when we start to see it again, it will be the waxing portion. So we'll be able to see that. All right, let's take a look at our observation chart. Today is the 16th, Wednesday the 16th. So you need to fill that out on your sheet. Wednesday, September 16th of the year 2020. So get ready to make your prediction. I'm going to show you our calendar grid. We had tally popsicle dots, right? Tally popsicle dots. What is your prediction? What do you think today is going to be? Start filling it out right here. Make your prediction. All right, let's check. Oh my, did you say tally mark? Great. I'm going to make this a little bigger so that we can see. How many tally marks do you see? So tally marks, remember, they're in groups of 5, so you can count them a couple of ways. You can count them by 5s, 5, 10, 15, 16, or we know this is a group of 10, so we can say 10, 15, 16. All right, so let's fill out yours. You are going to write yours right here. Oops, well, I do mine on the next page. Okay, so today is September 16th. Okay, and I need to make 16 tally marks. Let's see the best way. Let's try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So now I'm going to circle this because I do know that that is a group of 10. And something that we're working on is groups of 10s and some more. So I do have 1 10. And then how many left over do I have? 16. So then my equation is 10 plus 6 equals 16. Great job, friends. Let's go back. And I hope you filled that out. We need to do days in school. So let's look at our days in school chart. Yesterday was 18, right? So today we have 19. Let's make this in blue. Let's put another X on 19. And remember, we have one more. And what day will tomorrow be then? You're right, it'll be Decade Day. So remember how we looked for 5s? So here we had a group of 5 and another group of 5, and we colored it in to make 10. And now we have another group of 5. So tomorrow, how many groups of 5 will we have? You bet. Okay, so let's look at Let's make the number 19. Because today is 19. You guys fill it out right here. 19 days of school we've been in. Okay, I am going to write the word while you write it here. I'll write it here. We have 19. And since we're doing 10 and some more, I can do 10 plus 9 equals 19. How else can you make 19? You could absolutely do 19 telling marks. Lots of things you can do. Remember, if you ever need to stop because it's going too fast, remember, just pause the video and finish your work. Okay, there's 19 days of school so far. 19 days smarter. Okay, good job, friends. So our next on our chart is our pennies, nickels, collectors. Yesterday, remember, we got 3 pennies. Let's find out what we're going to get today. Phew, we got a nickel. Okay, so on our chart, we need to mark, you bet, 1 nickel. Good job. So looking at our graph here that you guys have been collecting, which has more, nickels or pennies? Which has the least, nickels or pennies? So I hope you said pennies have more. How many more do pennies have? I could easily count, right? So these are the same, but I can count on to see who has more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 more. All right, let's look at, we're going to talk about the number line today. Now, we've talked about the number line before, and we noticed that these are the ones. These are all numbers in the ones, except for 10. All right, let's cover that. These are all in the ones place. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then we have 10. Now, if we keep counting, these are the numbers that are in our 10 group, okay? So let's go ahead and count and we'll uncover. Well, first, I think I'm going to ask you some questions. Let's see. What number do you think this is? Let's see. Were you right? Okay. What about this one? How can you figure it out? Let's see. Good job. If you guessed 16, good job. What about this one? Oops, already did it for you. 19. Okay, so then let's do this one. What do you think this number is? Perfect. Let's turn these all over. And I'm going to hide these again. And I want you to really look at these numbers. What do you notice about them? Did anybody say that they all have ones in the front? Does it follow the same pattern that the previous ones did? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And this will be a what? Back to a 0, huh? These numbers are in our tens. These are the numbers in our tens spot, okay? We call these the teen numbers because a lot of them say teen after. Not all of them, but a lot of them. But these all have a group of tens, just one group of tens and some more ones, okay? So let's go ahead and practice counting. Here we go. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. What do you think this one is? Who knows? Cool thing is you can also count back, right? 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. Great job. So we're going to be thinking about some of these 10 and more numbers. And then tomorrow we're going to turn this number over. How fun is that? See you later. Bye.